Hello there, this is Hootie from HootieTuts.com. I'm going to be going through a little text on the path here, which a lot of people want to learn. Going to use pre-shapes here. Uh, Q is the shortcut to my shapes, and I'm wanting to draw a circle. If I have my materials palette set up like that, it's going to leave like a blue center, which I don't want to have. So we'll undo that, and I'll cut off the blue on the background color, and it should just leave us an outline this time. And this is a vector shape. I want to center that in the canvas, and I have to look at objects. You can't see this, I'm sorry, but you can center it in canvas there. Now you can see our circle centered in the canvas where we got room to put text around the outside. I'm going to use our text tool, which I type a T to get our text tool. And I have my blue turned back on here instead of having it null. When you do text on the path in this case is the circle shape that we got there. And when we move our cursor into the right position, if I miss the position, this is what it looks like. Looks like we've missed the boat here, which we have. What you have to do is watch your cursor and see how it changes right there. That's what you want. That means that you're going to be putting the text on the path. If I left click on there, what I have typed in puts it right on the outside of the circle. And that's pretty cool. That's one thing that you could do. If we wanted to get to the inside of the circle instead of the outside, we could go to offset up here and change that to 50. Let's watch what happens. Oh, we went the wrong way, so we have to type in a minus 50. And that puts it inside the circle. And let's see, what if we wanted to have it both above and below? Of course, you can make adjustments to put it as close as you want to up there. Let's see, let's back up here, change our offset to 0 again. That puts us back to the start. We want to add another line here. That hopefully is going to be some words. Let's see. And you see how far that is from here. We want to move the Hootie Tuts in this part back up a little bit. Let's change our leading. I already have it worked out. That's the only reason I know. Change that to minus 400. You have to put a decimal point in there. Let's see what happens here. Got to highlight this first. Minus 0.400. And then we have it both on the outside and the inside. Pretty snug as a bug, right? Let's undo this, and what if we wanted to put some text at the bottom instead? First, we need to change our settings back to the starting place, 0 here. And see, our offset's already back at 0, so we're good there. If we were to add text like we did at the top, down at the bottom, you're going to see what happens here. It puts our words upside down, and that you might want that sometimes, but that's not what we want this time. We want it to be the way that you would normally read it. What we have to do before we add the text is to reverse the path and contour. And we have to go to our pen tool, and the shortcut for that is V, as in victory. Press V. Now we're on our pen tool, and we're going to convert to path. Then we have to right click again and edit, reverse contour. Now we can go back to our text tool again. And now when we put our text on there, we look for that little special cursor change there. Now you see it does it properly. Pretty cool, huh? From here we could apply it if that's what we wanted. What if we wanted it moved outside of the circle? We could change our offset to -50. And you see it moves it down below the circle. So that's some pretty easy stuff. Let's show you a couple more things while we're in here. I'm undoing so we get off that reversed contour and path. What if we wanted to run this around the circle a few times? Let's see what would happen here. I'll just copy and paste a couple times here. You see where it runs into each other? Maybe you don't want that. Who would? You want it to be readable. You can change the font size. And that's a little bit better. Of course, you can make it even better than that if you want to. It depends on how tight you want to make it. That's too much. We're about 32. See what that does. That's pretty good. That's one thing that you can do. Another thing is, what if you want a Hui touch run to the right side a little bit? You could use your text alignment. You got left, right, and center. We've been using center on this. The text alignment's in your toolbars at the top on your text tool. But let's say I wanted to run it over a bit. On your keyboard, you can hit your space bar and it moves it. So you can move it right around to wherever you want it. And that's pretty neat too. Hope you enjoyed this. This is just a few ideas that you can do with text on a path using a circle shape. And I hope you come and visit us at hoodietuts.com and join our classes. We got a join our classes button there. And join our KnT classes. We teach PSP and animations. Thank you, and this is Hootie saying bye.